Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Fifa mascot Maple. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the nose. Let's draw two curves down and out, leaving a large gap in the center. Then from the bottom, let's curve it down and up. And then add a curve across inside. Now top to the top, and let's draw a curve out on each side and then curve it down. And then inside, let's add an oval for each eye. And then a circle inside each one. And then a small circle inside at the top. And color the rest of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now we're going to hop down and let's draw the mouth, starting with two curves down. And a curve across the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw the beard with a bump down on each side. Another set of smaller bumps. And one in the center. And then inside, we're going to draw two lines down at the top with a curve across. Now that we're done the mouth, let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a large curve across the top. Then on each side, let's bring it down and in. And the same thing underneath. Now a small V-shaped point up. And then curve it into the sides of the beard. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw a line down. And curve it down to the bottom. Then let's hop up to the top and let's draw the hair. Let's start with a curve across, stopping here. Add a point up. And a curve across. Now let's add another curve along the top for the headband. And then inside, let's draw two lines down. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the ears. On each side, let's draw a curve up. Then let's bring it out. And back in. Now inside each one, let's draw a curve up and back down, starting from the bottom. Now in between the ears, let's draw the hair with a curve over on the left and down. And let's draw two more across. Now let's hop out and draw the antlers. Let's start next to the ear and let's draw a curve out and up. And then another curve out at the ends. Now next to this bump, let's add another one on the inside. And then on the other side, let's draw another bump up. And one more larger one next to it. And then let's curve it back down and in underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. On each side of the beard, let's draw a curve down for the shoulders. And then let's leave a gap and let's draw 2 curves down. And close off the shirt at the bottom. Now let's hop back up to the shoulders and let's draw an angle down for the sleeves. Another one underneath. And then close off the ends. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a line down underneath each shoulder. And then a curve across the chest. Now we're going to hop to the bottom and draw the shorts. Let's draw an angle down on each side. Then let's curve it in, leaving a gap in the center. And then a point up to close off the shorts. Now let's hop to the sides and draw the arms. Let's start on the left and let's draw a large circle along the side for the soccer ball. And then inside, let's draw 2 circles in the center. And then a curve at the top and the bottom. Now in between the circles at the top, let's draw a small triangle and one on each top corner. And let's do the same thing at the bottom. Now let's hop out and let's draw the hand. On top, let's draw a large curve up for the thumb. And then let's bring it down next to the ball and up. Then let's add another finger with one more curve underneath. And then let's add a rectangle shape next to the hand. Now for the arm, let's start underneath the sleeve and let's draw 2 curves down. Now let's hop over to the right side. For this arm, let's draw 2 angles down and out. Then let's add the thumb with a large curve down. Curve it down and back up for the next finger. And let's add one more bump in between. Now on the outside, let's add another rectangle. And then let's add 2 curves across inside. And that's it for the upper body. Lastly, let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 long lines down. Now underneath, let's draw a curve out and up. And then a line out at the top. Now let's add an angle down for the other side of the legs. And then 2 curves across inside for the socks. Now for the shoes, let's draw a line down in the center. And then from the outside, let's curve it out and down. And close off the bottom of each shoe. Now we're going to hop in and draw some details. At the top, let's draw an angle down and bring it out. And then add a line across inside at the top. Now across the shoe, let's draw 2 wavy lines. And lastly, underneath each shoe, let's draw some small squares across. And that's it for Maple. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!